In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a seamless integration between Notion and Jira. This guide will be particularly helpful if you're looking to merge your project management tasks efficiently between these two platforms. Whether you're using Jira Cloud or an on-premise server, having a synchronized workflow can incredibly enhance your productivity. Let's dive right in and explore the possibilities. First things first, let's check your role since this step determines what you can do. To utilize Notion's built-in Jira sync, you need to be a workspace owner within Notion and hold admin rights in Jira. For more basic functions like link previews or the legacy sync, fewer permissions are required. It's crucial to have these roles sorted out before proceeding to ensure a smooth setup process. Now, let's navigate to Notion's settings. Go ahead and open Notion, then head over to the settings. Here, you'll either go to Connections if you're setting up a legacy Jira connection, or directly to Import and select Jira Sync if you're using the newer synchronization tool. This distinction is essential because the path you choose will determine the range of integration features you'll have at your disposal. The next step is to authenticate with Jira. This is where you'll connect both systems by entering your Jira site URL. For those using Jira Cloud, you'll need to use an API token, and here's a vital tip. Ensure it's a Jira admin token, as this will allow the broader access necessary for syncing operations. If you're on a different setup, use the credentials that match your configuration. This essentially allows Notion and Jira to communicate effectively. Once authenticated, it's time to grant the permissions required for Notion to access the issues or projects you've selected. These permissions are vital for a successful sync, as they dictate what data Notion can pull from Jira. Moving on, you'll need to select the specific projects and properties you want to synchronize. Notion allows you to choose which Jira projects, issue types, and fields or properties like status, assignee, and descriptions you wish to sync. Having this customized control ensures that you're only pulling the most relevant information into Notion. After setting this up, there's a waiting period for the initial sync to complete. Depending on the amount of data you're integrating, this can range from a few minutes to a few hours. But rest assured, once the initial sync is done, updates made in Jira should automatically reflect in Notion due to the webhooks set up with your sync. There are also mechanisms in place to ensure that any missed updates are captured, giving you peace of mind. Finally, with your data now in Notion, feel free to use or customize Notion's views. You can create a variety of views like tables, boards, timelines, or filtered lists of your Jira data right within Notion. Moreover, these databases can be related to other Notion content, allowing you to create a comprehensive project management environment tailored to your team's specific needs. And there you have it, a complete process for creating a bridge between Notion and Jira, enhancing your workflow like never before.